I bought the Weekend Warrior stamping polish set from Maniology because clearly I don't have enough stamping polishes. And yeah, I'm clearly short on nail polish in my house. I thought I'd give them a go, see if I like them or not. And while I'm thinking about it, will you please go ahead and click subscribe? You're going to love this video because I'm awesome, I'm funny, we have a good time together. My name's Jill, by the way. Let's play. The first color is Astronomical from Maniology. They're all from Maniology. I am a Maniology affiliate. I am required to tell you that, and if people don't tell you that, you get on to them because they're supposed to. I think this is a really beautiful blue. It's a very nice, like spring or summer kind of blue. It has pretty good coverage on it. It's stamped very nice, if memory serves. I did notice with this particular stamping plate that I did have to kind of scrape into it twice from two different directions in order to get that checkerboard pattern to come out without any gaps in it. So if you have that problem with the plate that has images like this, it'll almost kind of look bubbly, like it didn't just quite do what it was supposed to do. If that starts to happen, just scrape from two different directions and you should be pretty good with that. But the opacity's nice on it. It's stamped nice. It looks fine over the black. You know, I had some gaps in it, but that was the first one I did with that plate. Also, come to find out, I had this color. I think some of these were maybe sent to me in mystery boxes because I don't have the whole collection. But I did have that one. This is one I did not have. It is called Rose Garden. It's a weird color. It's like it's like it can't figure out if it's kind of a pink, a little red, or a little orange. It's an odd little shade, and it did not do a clean pickup on that other design, so I went back in and did the checkerboard with that one. Not very impressed with it over black. It does look better the longer it dries. This is after it's dried for about 30 minutes. And I did stamp these on top of a clear top coat. I always do that. So, you know, over time it did get a little darker, but I didn't love that one. I don't really care for the color. Didn't really care for how it's stamped. This purple is called El Dorado. The name is all one word on Maniology. It's a Spanish word. It's two words. It means the road. So I'm not sure why they did that. I like this one. It's a pretty color purple. It's, you know, not quite an eggplant, but it's purple. It's a good summer purple. I like the color a lot. This was one that I also did not have in my collection, which I'm shocked by because purple's my favorite. It's stamped and picked up okay, and looked okay over black. I didn't have any major complaints about it. It's not my absolute favorite I've ever seen over black. I can't remember which collection it is off the top of my head, but if you go look at the video I did with the nighttime fishies, like under the sea but at night, that collection, the colors in it over black were amazing. The next color is called TP Tipping. Don't know what that's about. I tried to look it up, like is that some kind of thing? I would imagine it's like cow tipping without the animal abuse. Cow tipping is a real thing. I'm from the South. I've seen it. It happens. It especially happens in college towns that have a dairy. Russellville, Arkansas. The boys get up to some shenanigans out in the country at college. This one, I don't hate it. I don't love it. I'm kind of ambivalent about it. It's not horrible, but I've seen better. Again, see the other video with the nighttime fishies. Those look really great over black. Empire Club, this is one that I did have, and I'm pretty sure I had TP tipping before too, and I think that the bottle had exploded in transit and it was ruined. But I do have Empire Club. It's not one of my favorites. I don't reach for it very often at all. If you like bright green neons, it's great, you know, just to wear. It's fine for that. And it's not necessarily that it's bad. It's just not the best green I've seen. Some of the newer collections from Maniology, their formulas are much better in my opinion than some of the original ones. And they've gone through and changed the packaging and that kind of stuff. It used to say Bundle Monster Company or BMC on it. And it's actually a lot better formulas on some of them now. Some of them are still kind of... Like this one looks okay in the shot, but in person it's a little transparent over the black. And this one is awful. I also had this one already, again in different packaging. I'm going to pass those along to somebody who I know is just starting to stamp. Not that they're bad, they're just not great. They look fine over white or light colors, but when you start to go into the dark stuff, not so much. And you can see it's even kind of shadowy and a little streaky here during application. It's a stamping polish. It shouldn't be streaky. Shouldn't have shadows. I understand it's a yellow. I don't know why yellow is so hard. A lot of companies tend to struggle with yellow. So it is kind of what it is. It stamps great, looks fine over the white, and it's okay over the black. For a yellow, it's not awful. I have seen worse, trust me. I've seen worse for Maniology. It's okay. Don't hate it, don't love it. But let me know if you've tried this collection, what you think of it, and as always, there's another video you can click and watch in the upper right hand corner. Thank you so much for being here. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.